installing the ODU. Loosen or tighten the screws diagonally. Removing the transition section. Remove 4 inner hexagon bolts from the transition section and take out the transition section. Installing the OMT. Remove the dust-proof film from the waveguide port on the OMT. Apply Vaseline evenly around the end face of the OMT. Align the waveguide port of the OMT with the waveguide port of the antenna, with a mounting ear facing upwards. And secure the OMT to the antenna using 4 inner hexagon bolts. Installing the ODU. Polarization direction of the antenna port of the ODU must be the same as that of the OMT port. Before the installation, apply lubricant to the sealing ring around the antenna port of the ODU. Tighten the screws diagonally. Checking and screw tighten. If the bubble in the spirit level is in the middle, the OMT is in the horizontal state. You can adjust the levelness of the OMT using the XPD adjustment screw. Tighten all the screws based on the recommended torque. Check the installation of the antenna and ODU to ensure that the installation process complies with the installation guide and safety requirements.